Hello po again, sir. Our third pattern, which is box with X, and also we increment with initialization with the size of is equals to 5. Then start po ulit tayo sa initialization, which is itong int I is equals to 0. Ang value daw po ng I is equals to 0. Then I greater than to size, which is 0 greater than to 5 is true. Kaya po pasok po siya dito sa ating condition, which is initialize po ulit tayo ng ating condition, which is j is equals to 0. Then j is less than to size, which is 0 less than to size is true. Kaya po papasok tayo dito sa if condition. Then kapag po may is yung I is equals to 0 is 0 is true, or kapag po may true na tayo sa or, which is ang ano na po nito is true, kasi ang ano natin sa or is always true. Then print po siya ng output with space. Then increment by 1. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Kaya po siya is 1 greater than to 5 is true. Pasok po dito sa ating sa ating condition, which is hindi po siya magbabago. 0 pa rin po siya. Ito pala po yung magbabago. J is greater than to size, which is 1 is greater than to 5 is true. Pasok po siya dito sa if else condition, which is I 0 is equals to I is true. Kaya sabi ko naman po sa inyo kanina, kapag po may true sa or, ang pinakang result niya po is true na po talaga. Ang pinakang value or variable. Hindi po, basta po kapag may true sa or, true na po siya. Pero ipapaliwanag ko po isa by step. Yung I daw po, I is equals to 5 minus 1. Hindi mangyayari po dito is 0 is equals to 4. Kaya po siya is false. Then dito po is 1 is equals to 0 is false pa din po. Then 1 is equals to 4 is false pa din po. Then dito is 0 is equals 1 is false pa din po. Then dito po is 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Then size minus 1 is 5 minus 1 is 4. Kaya po mangyayari is 2 is equals to 4. Kaya po siya is true. Sabi ko naman po sa inyo, kapag may true value sa or is true na po talaga siya. Kaya po siya ay magpiprint ng output, which is yung star output, then space. Then increment the value of j, which is 2, and kaya po siya nagito is 1 plus 1 dahil po is 1 j plus plus. Ang ibig sabihin po nun is 1 plus 1. Yun po. Plus 1. Yun po. Then j 2 is less than or equals less than to 5. Kaya po ang nangyayari is papasok po dyan dito sa pangalawang condition, which is sa if else condition. And ito po is yung I is equals to 0. Sabi ko naman po sa inyo kanina, which is kapag may true value sa or condition is true na talaga siya kahit may false po. Kaya magpiprint po siya ng star with space. Then 2 plus increment po ulit siya. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then initialize tayo, and 3 is less than or equals to 5 is true. Pasok sa if else condition. And 0 is equals to 0. Kaya po siya is true. Nakalang ulit po ako. Sabi ko po, kapag may true value sa or condition, siya na po is true. Kaya magpiprint po yung star sa output. Star with space. Then increment po ulit. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 less than to 5 is true, kaya pasok po sa if condition. 0 is equals to 0 is true, kaya po siya is, pag may true sa OR, true na po siya. Tama po. Yan. Kaya po mapiprint po ang output, which is yan. Pasok na po ang siya po is, kaya po siya is na console.writeLine is pababa po. Pagtapos po ng isang condition is bababa na po siya sa pangalawa, which is mag-increment po yung I condition, which is 0 plus 1 is magiging 1 po siya. Then ito po is babalik sa 0. Then ang nangyayari po is I is less than or equals I less than 2 size, which is 1 less than 5 is true. Pasok po dito sa ating unang condition, which is 0 dito po sa J, 0 less than 2 ay papasok din po siya dito, magiging 1 po ito. 0 less than 2, 5 is true, kaya papasok po siya dito sa if condition. And I it have a problem that I encountered, kaya 1 is equals to 0 is false. Then ito po ang OR, I is equals to 1, 5 minus 1, dahil yung size po is, ang value niya is 5, kaya po ang mangyayari is 5 minus 1 is 4, kaya 1 is equals to 4 is false. Then ito pong J is equals to 0, kaya po 0 is equals to 0 is true. Then and 1, 2, 3, kaya po dito po yung hati niya, dito po yung hati niya. Kaya po ito po naman J is 0, kaya po 5 minus 1 is 4, kaya 0 is equals to 4 is false. Then dahil po may ano dito, may true value, dahil po sa kabila ay wala, kapag po OR is ang sagot pa rin po is true, kaya po kiprint pa rin po yung star win. Then ano na po tayo na increment by 1. Then 1 is less than or equals to 5. Then true, pasok dito. I is equals to 0. Then false, dahil 1 yun, 1 is equals to 0, false. Then I, false pa din po yan. And also this, dahil J is nagkabali na po siya, 1 is equals to 0 is false, also false. Then dito po is J is equals to 1 is equals to 4 is false. Then ito po is I is equals to J is true. Yan. Dahil po nagka-true value siya, sabi ko nga po, pag nagka-true value is magiging true pa rin yung, dahil or condition ng gamit. Kaya po siya is mapiprint pa rin ang output. Then space. Then increment po ulit siya by 2. Increment po siya by 2. Then 2 is less than to 5 is true. Pasok po siya dito. Then I is equals to 0, which is 1 is equals to 0 is false. Then I 1 is equals to 4 is false. Then J 2 is equals to 0 is false. Then 2 is equals to 4 is already false. Then I is equals to J, 1 is equals to 2 is false. Then 1 plus 1, I plus J is 3. Then size minus 1 is 4, kaya po siya is false, kaya magiging false lahat po. Kaya papasok po siya dito sa else condition at magpiprint po ng space output. Yan, space po tayo. Yan. Then pasok po tayo sa increment po ito. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then pasok po tayo dito sa 3 less than 5 is true. Pasok po tayo sa if condition. Then I is equals to 0, which is 1 is equals to 0 is false. Then I is equals to size minus 1 is false. Then J 3 is equals to 0 is false. then 3 is equals to 4 is false already, then I is equals to j is false because I is not equal to 3, because 1 is not equal to 3. Then ito po, I 1 plus 3 dahil j is 3 is 4, then 5 minus 1 is 4, kaya po siya is magiging true. Sabi ko naman po sa inyo kanina, kapag po may true value ang or condition is true na po ito, kaya magpiprint po yung ating star dito tapat, yan, that with space. Then increment po ulit tayo sa increment po ulit tayo, magiging 3 plus 1 is 4. Then initialize po ulit tayo. Pag initialize po ulit tayo is magiging nangyari po dito is ito kung j is 4 na nga po, 4 less than to 5 is true, kaya po papasok po siya dito sa if else condition, which is I is equals to 0, which is 1 is equals to 0 is false, then I is equals to 1 is equals to 4 is false, then and yung j po is equals to 0, which is yung value nga po ng j is 4 is 4 is equals to 0 is false. Then dito po is j is equals to size minus 1, 4 is equals to 5 minus 1 is 4, kaya po siya is not true, kaya siya lang po ang naging true. Kaya sabi ko po sa inyo kanina, kapag may isa pong true na po ang isang kapag po nag-true na po ang sagot sa isa, dahil po siya is, ang gamit po is or condition. Kaya po magpiprint po tayo dito ng isang output. Then tapos na po yung pinakang laki, kaya po siya is magko-console at right line na po siya, madiretso na po siya dito, then balik na po ulit doon dito, and 1 plus 1 is 2 dahil mag-increment po siya, kaya po ito po is babalik ulit sa 0 dahil gawa po nito. Kaya 2 is ito po, yung I is ito na, 2 is less than or equals to size true, kaya pasok po siya dito sa ating condition, which is 0 is less than to 5 true, pasok po siya dito sa ating if else condition, which is I is equals to 0 is true, I false dahil ito yung I, then I is equals to size minus 1 is false because yung I is 2 is equals to 4 is false already. Then ito pong j is equals to 0 dahil nag true value po dito. Sabi ko nga po kanina, kapag may true value ang isang condition is ano po, true na po ang sagot niya kapag or condition na gamit. Kaya po magpiprint na po ulit dito ng isang output, then space, then increment by 1, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Then dito na po tayo magdadirect sa condition na to, which is mag-initialize po ulit siya ng j is less than to size, which is true, and papasok po siya sa if else condition, which is 1 is equals to 0, kaya po siya is hindi po false because yung I is 2. Then dito is I is equals to size minus 1 is false because 2 is not equals to 4. Then j is equals to 0 is not equal because 1, and also this is not equal because 2 is not equals to 4. Then also it is not equal because I is not 1 is not equal to 2, and also this 1 plus 2 is 3 is equals to 4 is not equals. Kaya po hindi po siya mag-output dito sa if, kundi dito po siya madiretso sa else condition, which is ang mag-output po is space. Then increment po ulit tayo by 2, then yun na po, initialize po tayo, 2 is less than 2 is, ang 2 is less than po ba sa 5? It's true. Kaya po, mapasok po siya sa if-else condition natin, which is I is equals to 0, then false, because I is true, is 2. Then, the next one is I is equals to 4, dahil size minus 1 is 4, tapos yung I po natin is 2, kaya false. Then, J is equals to 2, hindi po siya is equal because 2 is not equal to 0. Then, J2 is equals to 4 is false because hindi po siya equals. Then, I2, 2 is less than, 2 is equals to is true. And sabi ko nga po kanina, kapag po may true value, ang or condition is true na po yung sagot. Kaya po is magpiprint po siya sa 2, 2. Yan po. Magkatapat po siya. Yan po. Magkatapat po yung 2 at 2. Then, space. Then, increment po ulit tayo by increment po 2 plus 1 is 3. Then, initialize po ulit tayo. Then, 3 is less than to size, which is 5. True. Kaya po papasok po siya sa if condition, which is I is equals to 0 is false. Then, I is equals to size minus 1 is false because 2 is not equals to 4. Then J3 is equals to 0 is false. Then J is equals to size minus 1 is 3 is equals to 4 is not equal already. Then I is equals to J is false. Then I plus J is 5, so that is not equal because size is minus 1 is 4, kaya 5 is equals to 4 is not equals. Kaya po papasok po siya dito sa else condition, which is magpiprint po yung space output. Yan. Then increment po ulit tayo. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then initialize po ulit tayo. Then J is greater than to size 5. True. Kaya po papasok po tayo dito. Dahil sa if condition, pasok po tayo dito sa if condition, which is yung I po ba is equals to 0 is false. Then I is equals to size minus 1 is false. Then ito po is J is equals to 0 is false already. Then ito po yung J is equals to size minus 1 is true po because 4 po yung J. Then 4 din po yung 5 minus 1 is 4. Kaya po siya ay true. Sabi nga po kanina, kapag po may true value, or condition is true na po siya. Kaya po, magpiprint po siya ng star. Then, pasok na po siya dito sa console.writeLine and bababa po siya. Then, magbabago na po yung value because mag-increment na po siya. Dahil 2 plus 1 is 3. Then, ito po is magiging 0 ulit. Dito na po tayo sa tapat ng 3 at 0. And J is less than, ito po muna. Ang I is less than to size, which is 3 less than to 5 is true. Kaya papasok dito tayo sa second condition, which is initialize po ulit tayo. Then, something new condition, which is 0 is less than to 5. Kaya po siya is true. Papasok po siya dito sa if condition, which is I is equals to 0, which is 3 is equals to 0 is false. Then I is equals to 3. I is equals to size minus 1 is false already because yung I is 3 and size is equals to 4. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Yan already. Then, dito po siya mag-true kasi po, yung value po ng J is 0 po. Then, kaya po, sabi ko po kanina, ulitin ko po, kapag po may true value, ang or condition is true na po ang kanyang sagot. Kaya po, magpiprint po ulit siya ng true value, which is yung star po. Then, space po. Then, increment po itong J. Yung 0 plus 1 is 1. Then, 1 is less than or equals to. Less than 5 is true. Kaya papasok po siya dito sa if else condition. Kaya po, I is equals to 0 is false. Then, I is equals to size minus 1 is false is already. Then J is equals to 0 is false. Then J is equals to size minus 1 is false pa rin because 1 is not equals to 4. And dito po sa I is equals to J is false. And in the last, I plus J is 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. Kaya po sila is equals. Kaya po magpiprint pa rin po ng isang output. Then, space. Then, babago po tayo ng variable. Magiging ano na po? 1 plus 1 is 2. Magiging 2 po yan. Then, 2 is less than to 5 is true. Pasok po sa if condition. Then, I is equals to 0 is false. And I is equals to size minus 1 is false. Then, 2 is equals to 0 is false. Then, J is equals to size minus 1 is false already. Then, I is equals to J is false already. Then I plus J is equals to 5 is equals to size minus 1. 5 is equals to 4 is not equal. Kaya po papasok po siya dito sa else condition, which is magpiprint po siya ng output na space. Yan. Then increment po ulit by 3. Then ano po, initialize po ulit siya. 3 is less than to 5. Yan na nga po. Then dito po is J 3 is equals to 0 is false. And dito J is equals to size minus 1 is false already. And dito po I is equals to J is true because the value of I is 3 and the value of J is 3. Kaya po siya is true condition. Kaya po piprint po siya ng isang star with space. Yan. Then increment 3 plus 1 is 4. Then initialization 4 is greater than 5 is true. Pasok po sa if condition. Then I is equals to 0 is false, or I is equals to size minus 1 is false already. Then J is equals to 0 is false. Then J is equals to my size minus 1 is true because the J is 4 and is equals to 5 minus 1 is 4. Magpiprint po siya ng console.write ng isang yan. Then madiretso po siya ng console.write lang, kaya po siya is bababa na. And magiging 3 plus 1 is 4. Ang mag-increment po siya is 10 na 2 is 0. Yan. And 4 is greater than 2, 5 is true. Pasok po dito sa isang condition. Then 0 is greater than to 5 is true. Pasok po sa if condition. Then 0 4 is equals to 0 is not equal. Then I is equals to size minus 1 is not equal. Then J is equals to 0 is true. Kaya po siya is papasok po tayo dito sa yan, damas space. Then increment 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 is greater than to 5 is true. Pasok sa if condition. Then I is equals to 0 is false. Then or I is equals to size minus 1 is false. Then J is equals to 0 is false already. Then J is equals to size minus 1 is false already. Then I is equals to J is false already. Then I plus 5 which is 4 plus 1 is I'm not mistake po, para pong sorry po, dito po kasi nagkamali po ako kasi nga po hindi ko na panana. Ito po nga po palang I is 4. Then ito po yung size is minus 1, kaya po siya is 4, kaya po siya is mag-equal, kaya po siya may true value. Kaya po siya magpiprint ng ito po. Then space. Then increment po siya by 2. Then 2 is less than 2, 5. Pasok po siya dito sa condition, sa if condition, which is I is equals to 0. I is equals to 0 is false, or I is equals to size minus 1 is false already. Then j is equals to size minus 1 is false, or I is equals to j is already false because 2 is not, because 4 is not equals to 2. Then I forget also this because 4 nga po pala, kaya po siya is equal, kaya po siya is true value. Kapag nga po may true is sa or condition is true na po ang sagot. Kaya po siya is magpiprint ng console.write. Yan po siya. Then space. Then increment the value of j. Again, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Kaya ang nangyayari po is 3 is greater than to 4. Kaya po true. Kaya papasok siya is if condition, which is I is equals to 3. If I is equals to 0, false. Then I is equals to size minus 1 is true. Kaya po siya is true na agad. Kasi po may true na. Then condition, output, then last po is 3 plus 1 is 4. Then mag-increment po ulit siya. 4. Then 4 is less than to 5 is true. Pasok sa if condition. Then I is equals to 0 is false. Then I is equals to size minus 1 is true. Kaya po siya is mag-output na agad ng yan na po yung pinakang final result. Tingnan po natin yung final result. Kung kagaya po. I have mistake 1 because is equals to 0 nga po pala ito. Yan po ang kaibabasan. Kaya po, ganun din po ang kaibabasan. Thank you po, and hanggang dito lang po yung sa box with X.